This 5-minute solution will show you how to get NordVPN free trial. Follow these steps to get NordVPN free trial for 30 days. First of all, on your browser, type here NordVPN free trial. And now open this link. Try the NordVPN free trial for 30 days. And note one thing, that you have to purchase this NordVPN premium version, and you will get a 30 days money back guarantee. If you cancel NordVPN premium version less than 30 days, then you will get your money back. So all you have to need, just click on start now. And here select a plan. I'm selecting monthly plan and simply selecting this basic plan. And here we can say 30-day money back guarantee. So clicking on get basic. And now, and here enter your email address and select your payment method. I'm selecting credit or debit card. And fill up this payment information form. And here we can see you are 100% backed by our 30-day money back guarantee. So don't worry, just purchase this package, and all you have to need, just less than 30 days, you have to cancel your subscription and you will get your refund back. So click on continue. This is how we can get NordVPN 30 days free trial. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.